welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences that can help you to speak English at a grocery shop. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. Can you help me find the dairy section? Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Do you have any fresh produce available? Can you tell me where the canned goods are located? How much does this item cost? Can you tell me the price of these apples? Do you have any organic produce? Can I get a rain check for this item if it's out of stock? Could you show me where the frozen foods are? I'm looking for gluten-free products. Do you have any? Can you tell me where the deli meats are located? Is there a discount on bulk purchases? Could you help me find the non-alcoholic beverages? Do you have any vegan products? Can I use my coupons for this purchase? Where can I find the paper towels? Can you tell me where the cleaning supplies are located? Do you have any fresh fish available? Can you show me where the pet food is? Can you tell me where the baby food is located? Is there a limit on the number of items I can purchase? Can I pay with a credit card? Can I use a gift card for this purchase? Could you help me find the spices and herbs? Is there a sale on this item? Can you tell me where the toiletries are located? Do you have any local produce available? Can you help me find the coffee and tea section? Can I get a refund for this item if I change my mind? Can you tell me where the organic dairy products are? Is there a senior citizen discount available? Can you show me where the baby formula is? Can I get a rain check for this item if it's on sale? Can I use my store loyalty card for this purchase? Can you tell me where the chips and snacks are located? Do you have any low sodium products available? Can you help me find the pasta and noodles? Can I get a discount for buying in bulk? Can you tell me where the ice cream is located? Do you have any international food products? Can you show me where the fruit juice is? Can I use a gift certificate for this purchase? Can you tell me where the whole grains are located? Do you have any natural and organic products? Can you help me find the baking supplies? Can I get a rain check for this item if it's out of stock? Can you tell me where the baby diapers are located? Can I pay with a debit card? Can you show me where the organic snacks are? Do you have any sugar-free products available? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.